Look, I'm sorry. I didn't get your name. I got yours, Vincent, right? But I never got yours.
My name's Pitt, and your ass ain't talking your way out of this shit.
No. I just want you to know how... Okay. I just want you to know how sorry we are about how fucked up things got with Mr. Wallace. We got into this thing with the best intentions. I never... Oh, I'm sorry. Did I break your concentration?
I didn't mean to do that.
Please, continue. You were saying something about best intentions.
What's the matter?
Oh, you were through? Well, allow me to retort. What does Marcellus Wallace look like? What? What country are you from? What? What ain't no country I ever heard of? They speak English and what? What? English, motherfucker? Do you speak it? Yes. Then you know what I'm saying. Yes. Describe what Marcellus Wallace looks like. What? Say what again? Say what again? I dare you. I double dare you, motherfucker. Say what one more goddamn time. Well, he's black. Go on. He's bald. Does he look like a bitch? What? Does he look like a bitch? No! Then why you try to fuck him like a bitch, Brett? No. Yes, you did! Yes, you did, Brett. You tried to fuck him. And Marcellus Wallace doesn't like to be fucked by anybody other than Mrs. Wallace. Did you ever read the Bible, Brett? Yes. Well, there's this passage I got memorized that seems to fit this occasion. Ezekiel 25:17. The path of the righteous man is beset on all sides by the iniquities of the selfish and the tyranny of evil men. Blessed is he who in the name of charity shepherds the weak through the valley of darkness. For he is truly his brother's keeper and the finder of lost children. And I will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger to those who attempt to poison and destroy my brothers. And you will know my name is the Lord when I lay my vengeance upon thee. Good morning, Facebook.